Vibrance and saturation, now the same thing. Wetin be their difference and wetin be their similarities? Now for vibrance, all of them now they increase the intensity of color, both vibrance and saturation. Both vibrance and saturation, you go see them for there, and then they increase the intensity of color. Now why they did together? So I will just say vibrance now the sister of saturation. Do you understand? So now if you use your vibrance, automatically your any editing software you use, the software by itself go look your picture, go look your overall picture, go look okay which colors now dey dull for the picture. Then go help you boost am, go help you boost the dull colors of the picture. For saturation now, will be the brother, will be the elder brother. If you push saturation, all the colors wey dey the picture now the thing go increase the intensity. It go just increase how powerful the colors dey, like all of them together. So if you use vibrance for your picture, if you use saturation, it just depend on wetin you wan do. So if you no need this video now, but you go need am later, save am.